As promised, let's welcome in the management at Brigade Enterprise. They also have declared their numbers. Mr. M.R. Jaishankar, CMD at Brigade Enterprises, is now joining us. Good afternoon. Can you talk to us about the overall demand trends across various cities, segments? Is there a meaningful activity pickup that you're seeing?
See, I agree with you. For the last 3 years, the sector has been a bit subdued, but no sector or no business can remain subdued. These are all business cycles. In my career, this is probably the 4th business cycle we are witnessing, and every time we complete a business cycle, the organization comes back in a stronger position. That is what I expect it to happen this time also. The good news is market is generally showing signs of recovery. I would say the response is good. What is important is we consider Mumbai as a bellwether for the real estate sector.
Hi, Mr. Jaishankar. This is Nayantara joining in from New Delhi. Okay, so you're saying that this is perhaps the 4th down cycle. Maybe that's the situation in the south. I can tell you in North India, the market remains battered and pretty much has been for almost 10 years. But there is one segment which has shown far more resilience. It certainly has done better at withstanding the down cycle, regulatory challenges that have been thrown in the form of RERA or GST, etc. And that's a commercial real estate market. Tell me, for Brigade, how the rentals are trending. Have you seen an uptick? Any plans for a REIT listing in the near future?
So, I have said this before. Currently, we have 9 million square feet of IT office space under construction in different places, whether it is in Bangalore, Chennai, Kochi and Gift City. And we will also be adding another, commencing another 2 million square feet in Bangalore very soon. With the result, once this 11 million square feet gets completed in the next.
Can you also tell us how are the pricing trends panning out in various cities that you operate?
Yes, prices have softened or had softened. In addition to that, last 3 years of inflation, there is whether it is 4 or 5 or 6% inflation. Last 3 years, the inflationary effect has not been passed down to the customer. In other words, the developers have absorbed the inflation, which also means the prices have softened to that extent. But I think that is all going to be passed with the impact of whether it is a RERA or GST, whatever uncertainties that was there. They have all been taken in the stride by developers and the real estate sector. Now things are much more stable, and the Indian economy is doing well. Government policies are yielding results. The industrial activity has picked up. So I think the sector should see much more positive response by the investing public. Stock market is on a high, and it is time the investors book their profits and look at other sectors to invest their money.
Thank you so much, sir, for taking out time for us. Always good to get perspective from you. That was the management at Brigade Enterprise.